Namaskar, I am Devanshu and I am your yoga instructor at Cottage Nirvana. A hectic lifestyle or a life filled with anxiety may lead to sleep deprivation or insomnia. There are certain yogic postures that can aid sleep. Hastuttanasana or standing forward bend. Exhale. Try and take your forehead to your knees. Stay for a good 4 or 5 breaths, deep breaths, giving yourself a good stretch. We begin with Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand. You may hold this up to a minute or even 30 seconds as long as you're comfortable and it comes easy. From Sarvangasana, we take our feet back and touch the ground if we can to Halasana or the plow pose. Hold it for about 30 seconds or to a minute as long as you're comfortable and you're feeling easy. As you breathe out, slowly and gradually take your feet up. Very slowly, put them down and relax in Shavasana. Child pose or Shishu Asana. This is a good pose to relax. Stay for 4-5 breaths or even longer, as long as you feel like. Now we will do Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. Exhale, come down gradually. Stretching forward, try and take your forehead to the knee. Hold it there for as long as you're comfortable and breathing easy. A great posture to combat diabetes. Let's exhale, come up, take it easy. This may look easy, but it actually is one of the most important asanas in the practice. Shavasana or the corpse pose. Every practice of yoga should be followed by this asana for at least 5 to 10 minutes for the benefits of each asana to soak in. Just a word of caution, these yoga postures should be practiced in the presence of a certified yoga instructor, or you may also consult a doctor before you start practicing yoga. Do the yoga postures regularly without fail. Don't be in a hurry to get into the final position. Remember, you get to the final position easily and slowly And then finally, when you're able to accomplish it, you will find yourself that there are so many possibilities that lie before you. So come to Cottage Nirvana, let's get healthy together, let's have a greater and a more wonderful